Well, I heard the preacher talking about 3 wooden crossings upon a hill for everyone to see. 2 sinners on the outside couldn't save themselves if they tried. All I could think is a man that sounds like me. And I've been the one on the left full of guilt and regret, long gone on the wrong side of living. I've been the one on the right, always looking for a fight, thinking I could never be forgiven. Well, I stand here today overwhelmed by grace, 'cause I know you paid my cost. Thank God for the man on the middle cross. You didn't have to do it, but for me he went through it. Well, a love like that I'll never understand. And Lord knows I don't deserve it, and I know I couldn't earn it. And mercy rained down on this desperate man. And I've been the one on the left full of guilt and regret, long gone on the wrong side of living. I've been the one on the right, always looking for a fight, thinking I could never be forgiven. Well, I'm standing here today overwhelmed by grace, 'cause I know you made my cross. Thank God for the man on the middle cross. Well, the cross isn't where he went, oh, but that ain't where he stayed. Oh, he brought me back to life when he rose up out of that grave. Someday I'll stand before him and I'll see Jesus face to face, and I'll worship and adore him for a life forever changed. I've been the one on the left full of guilt and regret, long gone on the wrong side of living. I've been the one on the right, always looking for a fight, thinking I could never be forgiven. Well, I'm standing here today overwhelmed by grace, 'cause I know you paid my cost. Thank God for the man on the middle cross. Oh, thank God for the man on that middle cross.